How do you find the mass percent of magnesium and selenium inside of magnesium selenide? Well, thank you for clicking on the video because that's what I'm going to teach you. Let's take a look. First, we're going to find the mass and then we can find those percents. Watch. Bam. So the first step is to write the elements we see in the compound. So we got magnesium and we got selenium. Next is then to take, oh, looks like an SC, right? SE, there you go. Next is to take into account the number of atoms of each, and that's where the subscripts come into play. Now, if you don't see a subscript down there, just put in a 1. So there's 1 magnesium, 1 selenium. Then we're going to multiply by the mass of each particular element. That's where the periodic table comes into play. So magnesium's mass is going to be 24.31, selenium is 78.96. So those are what we're going to write down here. So we got 24.31, and then we had 78.96 for selenium. Then we're going to find the total mass of the element in the compound. Just simply multiply this row and across. So this is easy math, right? Multiplying by 1, so 78.96. And then this math is also just as easy to find the total mass. Now just simply add up the column, right? So this is going to be 103 now, 103.27. And there you have it. That's the total mass of the compound. Now I'm going to add a column to the table to find those mass percents, so the percent compositions of each. Take a look. Bam. So to find the mass percent of magnesium, we're going to take the total mass of that magnesium, 24.31. Don't worry about the units because they're all going to cancel. And then divide it by then the mass of the entire compound, hence why we had to do that first. Multiply it by 100. That's a simple percent calculation. Part over whole times 100. When you do this out, we get a value of about 23.54%. All right, so that's the percent of magnesium. Selenium, now we're going to do the same thing. Take the total amount of selenium, 78.96, divided by the total mass of the compound, 103.27. Multiply that by 100, and you're going to get 76.46%. All right? They should both add up to 100. Somehow that turned into a circle. But, well, is that even a circle? No, that's not a circle, Andrew, because it has 2 foci, right? That's an ellipse. That's an ellipse, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, so, yeah, that's how you do it. Percent comp, mass percent, magnesium, and selenium of magnesium selenide. Thanks for tuning in. I got thousands of other videos out there to help you out, and we look forward to helping you with more. Take care.